my channel. So today we're going to talk about Glow Recipes Avocado Ceramide cleanser that I have right here. And of course, we gotta start with the packaging. I like the packaging. Do we have any avocado fans out there? I love eating avocado toast. It's my absolute favorite thing. I could literally eat it every single day and not get sick of it. I mean, literally every single day. And you know, the best avocados come from Mexico. Don't you guys agree? Right, absolutely agree. Okay, so really enjoy the packaging. All right, so on the side right here, of course, we have the ingredients listed, and then on the back right here, we have the description about the product, and then we have the instructions on how to use it. And then of course on the other side, we pretty much have the instructions, ingredients, all that stuff in just like a different language. All right, so when you open this up, it has more wording on the inside, and then of course if you do look deep onto the inside, it has more avocados in there, and I really like how they do the packaging like this. All right, so this is what it looks like. It's such a pretty green color. Okay, so of course on the back right here, this little description about the product. I have to say, especially because the words are white, it kind of like blends into the packaging, so it is just a tad bit difficult to read. Okay, so with this cleanser right here, I have to say I absolutely love it. So for those of you guys who watch my previous videos, you guys would have seen that I did a review on the serum, and that product worked really well for my skin because obviously you guys know I have sensitive skin. I have redness, especially all around my cheek area. And of course, after trying the serum, I was like, you know what? Let me give this cleanser a try and see. And let's see, does it actually help with my redness? And yes, it does. But you have to be consistent with using this product. So you can actually use this product in the morning and at night. And you know, for those of you guys who sometimes get a bit oily during like the summer season, you can also use this like during like your third wash, which sometimes I do have to do sometimes depending on the weather situation. Okay, so for this product, I would have to say be careful when using it, because the first time when I used it, I spilled quite a bit of product, because when you open this up, like the product just comes spilling out. So I would suggest, you know, flip it upside down first, okay, and then you open the cap, and then you kind of just like slowly squeeze out the product, because the first time I just opened it and the product like came out and I was like, oh my gosh, you know. But anyways, aside from that, make sure your hands are nice and clean, very important. And then I would wet my face, and then I'll take some product, I'll distribute it to my hands. I would just like rub it a little bit, and then I would just like massage it all over my face, and I'll just rinse it with water, and then I'll continue on with my skincare routine. So if you're wondering, yes, it does smell like avocado. This smells really nice, and the color is green. It's a very pretty green color, which I absolutely love. It's kind of very similar to the packaging right here, like this type of like green color. And you know, I have to say, after using this for 1 week, I could not believe like the redness on my skin was like kind of like cooling down, because usually when I use like skincare products, it usually takes about like 1 month to like kick in and get like the full effect. But with this one, I was so surprised after using it for 1 week, and I only use this especially in the morning too. So I was like, wow, this is a really good product. And the thing is that after using this product, your face just feels really nice and clean. It doesn't feel drying or anything at all, which I absolutely love. For those of you guys who have like red lines or like just like rosacea around like your cheek area, I would actually highly recommend checking this product out, because it will help you calm down your rosacea. But it does, remember, it does take time. So for those of you guys who have tried this product, you know, let me know, do you guys like it, do you guys hate it? And if you're wondering, For those of you guys who don't have redness on your skin, can you still use this product? Yes, you can still use it because this is a face cleanser. So regardless if you do have rosacea or like redness on your skin or not, but this is a really good cleanser. I highly recommend checking out, especially like their ingredients are like really like clean, which is really good for like the skin, especially for like sensitivity and stuff. So for those of you guys who have tried other Glow Recipe products, let me know. Do you guys have like a favorite one, a least favorite one, or is there like something that you're really excited that they're about to come out with soon? So yeah, well, that is it for today's video, and I shall catch you guys later. Bye.